Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and today I'm super excited because Aussie sent me their new Ultra Wonder Multitaskers. If you're wondering what a multitasker is, it's basically a product that can be used in multiple ways, so you're getting more than just one benefit in a single product. In this collection, there are 3 products, a daily mist, a treatment, and a gel cream. So with that being said, let's hop right into this tutorial. I'm starting off freshly washed hair, and the first product I'm going in with is the Ultra Wonder treatment. This treatment has a really nice sweet scent and a light creamy consistency. It can be used on wet or dry hair, and when I say the slip is amazing, I mean it. I purposely didn't detangle or re-wet my hair before applying this, and it still detangled beautifully without my hair needing to be soaking wet. This treatment can be used in or out of the shower. You can use it as a 24-hour moisturizing leave-in or as a strengthening mask, and it has up to 48 hours of bond protection. What I really love is that Aussie clearly shows how each product can be used depending on your hair type. For fine, straight, or wavy hair, this can be used as a deep hair mask, rich leave-in, or a pre-wash strand protector. For coarse, curly, or coily hair, it can be used as a hair mask, leave-in, pre-wash, detangler, and a split-end protector. I first wanted to test it out as a hair mask, so I left it in for about 30 minutes, then rinsed it out. Once I rinsed my hair, it felt extremely soft. I could honestly see myself using this as a pre-wash detangler. As someone who struggles with tangles and has a sensitive scalp, I loved how easy this product glided through my hair. Next, I'm going in with the Ultra Wonder Daily Mist. This product is a silky cream that transforms into a lightweight mist, and it has the same sweet scent as the treatment. Just like the others, it can be used in a variety of ways and has multiple benefits. It offers 450-degree heat protection, works as an anti-breakage detangler, and claims up to 90% less hair loss due to breakage when used. For fine, straight, or wavy hair, this works great as a leave-in, heat protectant, style primer, and detangler. For coarse, curly, or coily hair, you can use it as a curl refresher, heat protectant, style primer, and frizz preventer. Today I'm using this as a heat protectant since I'll be sitting under the dryer, and also as a style primer and frizz preventer. Before applying, I made sure my hair was damp, then I spritzed it all over and brushed it through with my tangle teaser to evenly distribute the product. After letting the first section sit for a bit, look at how silky and refreshed my curls look. Once my hair was evenly coated with the Daily Mist, I went back in with the Ultra Wonder treatment, this time using it as a leave-in. I took a generous amount and worked it through each section of my hair. I really enjoy how lightweight this product is while still being very moisturizing, and plus you don't need much at all for it to glide through your curls. To seal in the moisture, I'm going in with the Ultra Wonder Gel Cream. I could tell instantly that this gel has a strong hold. It's thick, creamy, and slightly stiff, so I knew it was going to give good definition. Even though strong hold gels aren't usually my go-to, I love that this gel cream has hold because it makes it versatile for different styles. This gel claims to give 24-hour curl definition, 24-hour frizz control, and a moisturizing hold. It definitely delivers just that. For fine, straight, or wavy hair, you can use it as a styling gel, flyaway tamer, or blowout primer. For coarse, curly, or coily hair, it works as a curl definer, styling gel, and an edge tamer. I'm using it as a curl definer, and when working with a strong hold gel, I always make sure my hair is really wet. Since this doesn't have a ton of slip, the more water the better. I really want to lock in that moisture. I took a good amount of product and raked it through each section. Before defining my curls, I split my hair into even smaller sections, and if I needed more gel, I applied more. This styler really gives you the best of both worlds. You get the hold of a gel while also getting the moisture of a cream. As someone who usually layers 2 products, this honestly saves me time and money since it's a 2-in-1. As someone who struggles with dryness and has used Aussie in the past, this collection is exactly what I was waiting for from them. I was honestly surprised by how well each product performed, and the fact that they're on the affordable side made it even better. Add a shampoo and this is actually a really solid routine. From the cute packaging to the sweet scent of each product, right down to the product size and price point, this is something I would definitely use again. Everything applied with ease, and the directions for each product were super clear. Nothing felt heavy, sticky, or dry, which I really appreciated. And overall, my hair and scalp looked and felt good, and that's really all I could ask for. After styling, my curls were defined, my hair felt moisturized, and there wasn't any frizz, which I was really happy about. I then sat under the dryer on medium heat until my roots were dry, and then I diffused the rest until my hair was completely dry. As expected, my hair had a strong cast. It was super stiff, but it still felt hydrated, including my scalp. I went in with a little oil and used the praying method to break the cast, and when I tell you it took a minute, this cast was strong, but once it broke, my curls looked really good. Overall, I loved how my hair turned out, and I genuinely enjoyed these products. They all have that classic Aussie scent, and you get a good amount of product. I think these would be great for traveling or if you're trying to save money. At $9.99 each, this is definitely a solid, affordable routine. Let me know in the comments if you plan on trying these products out or if you already have. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And as always, thank you so much for watching.